A very welcome to my YouTube channel Heras and Not Me Corner. Today we are going to discuss different types of bones in our body. Let's simplify. These bones are long bones, short bones, flat bones, sesamoid bones, and irregular bones. Basically, average adult has 206 bones, which can be categorized into different groups based on their shapes. However, there are 90 long bones, 28 short bones, 36 flat bones, 4 sesamoid bones, and 48 irregular bones in our body. There is also another sutural bones called as a vermian bones. Now, let's look at the long bones first. The trick to remember long bones is to use the letter L to remember long. This will help you to remember most of the bones in our arms and the legs are the long bones. Clavicle is also a long bone. We can also use the letter L to remember the clavicle because clavicle has L in it. It is also commonly known as a collarbone. This will help you to remember the clavicle is also a type of a long bone as well. So whenever you think of a long bone, always remember limbs and the clavicle. Now let's look at the examples of the long bone first. Long upper extremities include humerus, bone of the radius, ulna, metacarpal, and phalanges. Lower extremities include bones of the tibia, femur, fibula, metatarsal, phalanges of the toes. Now look at the short bones. We have covered long bones of the arms and the legs except wrist and the ankle. This is where the short bones come into play. Now we skip the patella but we talked in it later. Short bones includes the bones of the wrist and the ankle. Now let's look at the bones of the wrist and the ankle. Wrist includes scaphoid bones, lunate, triquetrum, hamate bone, capitate, trapezoid, and trapezium. Ankle bone includes talus, navicular bone, cuboid bone, calcaneus bone, middle cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and the lateral cuneiform. Next, we have the flat bones. Flat bones basically protect our internal organs. Trick to remember flat bone is to use the letter F. Flats equal to 4. Next, we have a sesamoid bone. Trick to remember sesamoid bone is to use sesame seeds. Pisiform and patella is the type of the sesamoid bone. Pisiform is a type of the carpal bone and patella is a kneecap. Basically, average adult has 4 sesamoid bones. We will discuss irregular bones in our next video. Thanks for watching.